In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a deal inside of Zoho CRM. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to deals in the menu. Then it should be looking something like this if you have never created a deal before. Then you need to click create deal here on the top right corner. And then it should be looking something like this, where you'll have the deal information where you can select all of the information for this deal. First of all, you'll have the deal owner, which automatically should be you, but you can also choose any other in your team if you want to do that. Here you can also add a deal name, an account name, a type for this deal, expected revenue, a lead source, a contact name, an amount. Then you can add a closing date. And it's gonna be a week from now for this specific tutorial. Then you can add in a stage where you can choose between all of these ones. These ones are Danish, but yours will be in your preferred language. Then you can also add a probability in percentage, and the next step, and a campaign source. And you can create a new campaign if you want to do that down here. You can also add the description information down here where you can add description for the specific deal. Then from here you need to click save over here. And as you can see here, now the deal has been made. And over here you can send an email if you want to do that, and click subject, and of course something down here, and click send. And as you can see here, your mail has been sent successfully, and you can see over the status history over here that the mail has been sent. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!